Portland International Jetport, Portland, Maine. 0931 Zulu.
Portland Town approach control hours of operation are 0545, advisory frequency 120.9er. Runway 1129er is closed. Runway 1836 is noise sensitive. For information or clearance, contact Boston Center on 128.2.
Portland CTAF, Brickyard 3516, we pushed off 1 Bravo, making a right turn onto a right, then a left on an Alpha, right across 29, over to departure into 36, Brickyard 3515, Portland. Portland CTAF, Brickyard 3515, crossing closed runway 1129 for 36 departure.
At Charlie.
At Charlie, departure.
Portland area traffic, Brickyard 3616, taking runway 36. Portland traffic. Portland area traffic, Brickyard 3615, taking off runway 36. Portland traffic.
Southwest, are you on frequency? Portland track, Brickyard 5760, trailing at Southwest, taxiing to runway 36 via Charlie, crossing 2911 at Charlie, Portland traffic.
Brickyard 3615, Portland, runway 36, 2.3, climbing 10,000.
Brickyard 3516 Boston Center, you are radar contact. Climb and maintain flight level 280.
Flight level 280, Brickyard 3615. 3516. It's an early morning. Flight level 280.
Center Southwest 4805.
Southwest 4805 Boston Center.
Yes, sir, on the ground of Portland will be number 1 runway 29 for departure.
Roger, stand by. Southwest 4805, amount altitude on departure, climb and maintain 4,000. You are released for departure. Clearance void if not off in 3 minutes. If not off in 3 minutes, advise Boston Center. No later than 5 minutes of attention.
Copy that, change in altitude to 4,000 feet, void 3 minutes, we're ready to go.
Portland traffic, airport vehicle, just be advised, we're seated for an on-time opening here of runway 29er, but it's going to remain closed until schedule 545.
In the Southwest, pulling on the 29, if it's still closed, I do have a vehicle on the runway currently. In the Southwest, pulling on the 29, just so you know, there is a vehicle on the runway still and it is closed.
I tried warning them.
Boston Center, Brickyard 5760 is number 1 at runway 36 for departure in Portland.
Brickyard 5760 Boston Center, Roger. Just continue to hold. I got 1 rolling now.
Copy that.
Center Brickyard 3516A, ride reports ahead and in the climb. Smooth for us on the way up so far.
Brickyard 3516, you're the first Portland departure I've had this morning.
Magical. Well, we'll let you know how it goes.
All right, thanks.
Center Southwest 4805, 1.2,
Southwest 4805, you are radar contact just 1 mile west of Portland. Climb and maintain flight level 340.
340, Southwest 4805.
Did he just take off a closed runway?
Yes.
Good morning, Portland Jetport Air Traffic Control Services is into 0545 local class Charlie airspace is in effect. Latest information, Romeo is current.
Conceptual aircraft, Portland approach control services resumed at 0545 local, Portland class Charlie airspace now in effect. Latest information, Romeo current, landing and departing runway 29.
Southwest 4805 Boston.
Hey, go ahead.
Just trying to check, did you depart runway 2829?
We did depart 29.
Yeah, that runway was closed.
I thought it opened at 45. There was no markings there anywhere.
Right, it did open at 45, but you departed at 42.
That's not what we're showing, but okay.